We all long for it. That deep sense of security, that feeling of being seen, heard, and understood without judgment. That's emotional safety. It's the foundation for connection, vulnerability, and ultimately for living a wholehearted life. But trauma, in all its forms, can shake this foundation. It can leave us feeling unsafe in our own skin, doubting our worth, and wary of letting others in. The good news is that healing is possible. It takes time, courage, and a commitment to rebuilding trust in ourselves and in others. This journey begins with understanding emotional safety and its importance, especially in the aftermath of trauma. It's about creating a space where vulnerability isn't seen as weakness, where authenticity is welcomed, and where we can show up as our true selves, scars and all. Trauma can leave us feeling like we've been through a storm. Our sense of safety, once a sturdy anchor, can be ripped away, leaving us feeling adrift in a sea of uncertainty and fear. This loss of safety often manifests as a breakdown in trust. Trust in ourselves and others, and even in the world around us. We might find ourselves questioning our instincts, pushing away loved ones, or struggling to believe that things can get better. This is a natural response to trauma. Our brains are wired for survival, and after trauma, they go into protection mode. This hypervigilance can keep us stuck in fear and isolation. Understanding these reactions is key to breaking free. They are not signs of weakness, but a testament to our resilience. Rebuilding trust after trauma is like charting a new course. It's about navigating unfamiliar waters with courage and compassion, both for ourselves and for others. It starts with self-trust. Trauma can make us doubt our own perceptions, feelings, and instincts. We might question our judgment or feel like we can't rely on ourselves. Rebuilding self-trust involves learning to listen to our inner voice again, to honor our needs and boundaries, and to make choices that align with our values. As we cultivate self-trust, we can begin to cautiously extend trust to others. Start small. Choose to confide in someone who has proven themselves to be safe and supportive. Share your experiences at your own pace. And don't be afraid to set boundaries if needed. Remember, trust is not an all-or-nothing proposition. It's built gradually, through shared experiences, open communication, and mutual respect. Weathering the storms together, the power of connection. We weren't meant to weather life's storms alone. Connection is essential to healing from trauma. It provides a sense of belonging, validation, and hope when we need it most. Sharing our stories with others who understand can be incredibly powerful. Support groups, therapy, or even just confiding in a trusted friend or family member can help us feel less alone and remind us that we're not broken. It's important to remember that healing is not linear. There will be good days and bad days. There may be times when you need to step back from relationships or seek professional help, and that's okay. Be patient with yourself and with others. Healing takes time, and everyone heals at their own pace. Anchoring in hope, your journey to healing and wholeness. The journey after trauma can be long and challenging, but it is possible to heal and reclaim your life. It's about moving from surviving to thriving. Anchor yourself in hope. Hope is the belief that things can get better, and you are worthy of love and connection. Celebrate your small victories, practice self-compassion, and envision a brighter future. Remember, you are not alone. There are people who care about you. Reach out, connect, and be held by compassion. Your story is not over yet. There is still beauty and joy to be experienced. Keep going. You are worthy of healing and a life filled with love, connection, and wholeness. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and share it with a friend. And remember to subscribe to The Moving Window for more uplifting content.